Action!
Welcome to the Doug TeNaples channel. I'm glad you could join us. As you can see, I'm not in Franklin, Tennessee, unless the earth split in half like a mighty Pangean event. I'm mostly here just keeping track of where Trump's at today. The big news is that all of the legal cases against him, where they're trying to use the courts, New York courts, New York judges, and it's not working, of course. But they've tried every other form of government to go after him. They tried, first of all, the election. That didn't work. Then they realized that Congress, they have nothing. Remember, Hakeem Jeffries said, we've got no leverage. In other words, in case you didn't notice, we lost. And now they're going finally to judges, where they have the New York crackpot Democrat judges trying to shut down the courts. It's going to end up forcing Trump into a constitutional crisis, which the Democrats keep saying is going to happen because Trump is not obeying the New York courts. He's going to end up having to use the Supreme Court, which any of these cases go up to them. He will have his presidential authority. They will side with him. If you notice, on all of Trump's past lawfare they've tried against him for the last year, almost all of it went his way. But especially now, there's even more going in his way because what's been exposed is the Democrat system has been a fraud built purely against him from the get-go. They're not trying to obey the law at all. They don't care. So the Supreme Court's aware of that. So is the Congress, including the Democrats, which is why they're not trying to pass laws against him. They know that the laws won't work. If anything, what we're exposing is USAID gave money to prosecute Trump. USAID gave money to fund his opponent. And so what's ended up happening is the Democrats have only gotten weaker since Trump's gotten into office. His points are up 5 points higher than they were. He was 5 points down when he came into office in 2016. He's 5 points up, having been the same amount of time. And that's all good news for him, bad news for Democrats. They got nothing. Even at the Supreme Court, Trump's going to win. I'm Doug in exile.